Yeah, hi, 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 hi. How are you? How are you to all of us? Now it's already 6:30. I finished already the small balcony and the big balcony. So I start na here in the kitchen. I'm not cooking. No, I'm cooking pala, just boiled. Okay. Because I bring the pataya. It's just a minute, I want you to see. This one breakfast. Thank you, Jito Muhammad, for giving the biscuits for the snacks of Celine. Thank you, Jito. Thank you, Jito Muhammad. Thank you, Sir Muhammad. Thank you, Sir Muhammad, for giving, and Madame for giving last night. They make dinner her visit, and this one they bring porcelain. Always that one, always before, since before pa. She's always giving biscuits, everything that what he has, what they have in their house, or mga food ba, mga necessary food. They are always sharing both side, with side of parents of Madam and parents of Sir. So this one, this one I bring to Sisi for the lunch box. Okay, to make it different, that she can eat for her lunch box. Okay, thank you again. Thank you, Madam. Thank you for sharing the food that we have. Okay, look outside. Good weather. It's very, very good weather na. But it's still hot, very hot. Same as usual, hot talaga. Because it's summertime na. It's really summertime. Okay. So now I continue. That's what I do. Same as usual naman. There is no different. And it depends. Now because it's summer school, kaya the time of Celine, or sometimes she go to the school early, his mother bring to the school early. It depends of Madam to let them to wake up early, or 9, or sometimes they just bring in the school at 9, almost 9 a.m. na. What they do pa, even summertime, if they come in the school at night, what they do pa? And the school is, I don't know what time it start. I think it started at 8:30. Yeah, right, 8:30 pa. Maybe 8:30. If I'm not mistaken, 8:30. I don't know. 8:30 or 8 o'clock. It's start already for the school again. I don't really know if what's that, because sometimes before in the regular time kasi 8, supposed to be 8 o'clock, they are already in the school. And now is the summer, I don't know, maybe it's the same. It's the same. This one, always I share kasi, always I bring this one, and sometimes I'm telling don't buy na, because Celine sometimes you don't want to eat because of the hamo daw. Not all the time kasi sweet, but the watermelon is always talaga yan the early time. If we have in the house. Okay, always that one, always. Always with egg and egg, watermelon, and apple. Kasi if I make blender, she didn't drink. Okay? She didn't drink. So I let them to eat alone. And sometimes the strawberry is sweet. So she ate. Always talaga there is approach. I let them early. Since pa naman, since because if I make a blender, she can drink quickly. She didn't complain from 1 year, from before 1 year until 3 years old. So I make it blender the fruits and she can drink pa. If I tell them to drink, but start from she is already 4, 5, and now that she know how to complain, she know how to talk well if she like or she don't like, so that's all. So the nanny, nothing cannot do. It's okay, hindi just like this one. Kaya sometimes I make alone na lang, and I'm just telling them that is good for your health. Fruits is very good for your health. Even the vegetable before, yeah, I can give her. That's why his body is very strong, and she is always overweight. But now basta when she is start from 4 o'clock until 5. 4 o'clock naman, 4 years old until 5 years old, until now. Complain na, she don't like it, she didn't like na. She know how to choose what she want to eat, if she don't want to eat. That's all. But sometimes I let them talaga to force by herself that she must to eat, because she must to be suffer, you know. The health, you will become suffer from the children, you are very young, like you are only 1 year old until up na. If you must to take care of your health, especially the food that you have, make sure you are very lucky. It depends nga naman din, because it depends of God knows everything only about our health. Yeah, right. But that's what only my opinion. I'm not dictating. It's just only the opinion, okay? The way in eating. Because look nga, the another children, the another people, they have no food to eat. They are looking and they are searching for what they want to eat. But now that they have, so I let them to eat talaga as of what we have. And that is need to our health also, to our body, kumbaga. Okay? So thank you again for watching. More blessings and God bless us all. And bye. Keep safe lagi, whatever you do, wherever you are. To all angkan, to my family, my own family, not with my brother ba, my niece and my sister-in-laws. Mga angkan to angkan. Bye, and God bless us all.